Today we're going to talk about the Bhakti gates. There are 7 gates you have to pass through to get into the spiritual world. What are those gates? How do you pass through? Are you going to get there and they're going to reject you and say, oh, that you did pass the security gate, you can't go in? Maybe. Stick around, we'll talk about it. How do we know about the 7 gates? Well, if you read the story of Jai and Vijay and the 4 Kumars passed 6 gates, and they came to the 7th. And what were those 6 gates? Well, those gates were the levels of consciousness that are necessary to be liberated. And they were there, but they didn't get into the 7th gate because the 7th gate was pure bhakti, and they were impersonalists. They didn't have pure bhakti. And Jai and Vijay, on the pretense of them being children and naked, said, you're not following the dress code here, we can't let you in. But actually, they were not qualified to go in. And the 4 Kumars, being Gyanis, thought, oh, look at Jai and Vijay. They're caught up in duality. They don't like us. They like some people, they don't like others. Because they were Gyanis and personalists, they thought the ultimate goal is neutrality. And Jai and Vijay were just trying to protect the environment of Vaikuntha from anyone who doesn't have pure bhakti. So imagine it's your turn. You're going through the gates and they're scanning you and oh, we found some envy. Sorry, nobody who's envious can come here. We found some lust. Sorry, not allowed here. You'll have to go back and get rid of it. We found some jealousy. We found some dishonesty, deceitfulness. We found some pride. We found some arrogance. You have to go back. This life gives us so many opportunities to let go of these things. How is that? Because there are people who push our buttons. There are people that upset us. There are people that cause us to be envious. There are even people that cause us to be proud just by being around them. So what does it mean? It means these are all opportunities for us to practice letting it go. And like sometimes you'll say, I just can't let it go. I can't let go of my resentment, or this envy, I can't seem to give it up, or this anger, I can't seem to give it up. Well, Krishna's sending you all these situations so you can practice giving it up. Because if you don't give it up here, when you go there, sorry, check your pockets. What do you got? Oh, I think it's right there. Oh, envy. Yeah, sorry. Can't take it. You'll have to get rid of it. You'll have to operate and get it out. So if we say, I just can't let this go, or I'm so this, or I'm so that, and it's so hard to overcome this and that, just remember this, that these things we have to let go of to enter in Krishna-lila. And this life is the place where we're meant to let those go. And life will give us unlimited opportunities to be challenged to let these things go. And when the challenge comes, take it, run with it. Don't run away from it. Don't make excuses why you can't let it go. Don't make excuses why you are so this or so that. But remember, realize that this is the gymnasium. This is where I practice letting go of everything that I can't take in the eternal Lila of Krishna. Welcome anything that's going to help you let go. And don't run away from these struggles. Don't run away from these challenges. We all need them to grow in our Krishna consciousness.